चंद्राय राधिकायै तदारै कृष्णाय कृष्ण भक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमः वाञ्छा कौतुकश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरक्षिते हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगद्पते गोपीशवृषादंत राधा कांत नमः सप्तकांचन गौरंगे राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये ओम वृंदावनी तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्ते नमो नमः श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे सर्वतम हरे गुरुपाद गुरु नित्यलीला प्रविष्ट
First of all, my obeisances to my Guru Pada Padma, Nitya Pravishna Vishnu Pada Srila Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vamana Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Pravishna Srila Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj. So their lotus feet which remove all the fear, I offer my humble Nadavat Pranams again and again. Also after that, my obeisances to Nitya Pravishna Vishnu Pada, Astotra Shrata Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Pravishna Vishnu Pada Srila Swami Maharaj. And Prabhuji Charan, Shapad Sajjana Maharaj, and Paramahansa Maharaj. So all the Vaishnavis present here. Especially Rajesh Prabhu. I want to speak only 2 words. I will speak only 2 words and I will stop speaking. I don't want to speak too much. Only 2 words. Just came from the 5 sacrifice. So, month of Kartik, especially today's Gopashtami Tithi. According to the people, yesterday they celebrated, but actually according to our Vaishnava calendar, today is Gopashtami actually. It's working? Now, today also we have the darshan of Srimad Radhika's feet. So actually today is Gopashtami, okay? Not yesterday. Today was according to the people's conceptions. So, when one titi is also coming on the top of another titi, it's called Bidda or impure. For example, yesterday was Saptami with Ashtami, 7th day with the 8th. So actually we would not celebrate Ashtami Titi, but today. So there is also Ashtami and also a little bit of Navami also today. So Shastra explains, but the one who comes after is more powerful. Means if the titi from behind meets the one from next, this is called Bidda, or like not pure. So Saptami met Ashtami. So this is Bidda, like impure, not completely pure Ashtami. But today, the Ashtami is meeting the Navami, the 9th day. But this is pure, it's okay. And that's why today is actually Gopashtami. So, but the Smarta conception, they are only checking the calendar, they are not checking these things of pure, not pure, according to the titis, together or not. But the conception of the Vaishnava is really pure, and they analyze all the speed of the constellations, planets, and all these things to determine the titis. Srila Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada explained all this. So today is Gopashtami actually, not yesterday. First Krishna started to graze the cows, and then also the cows. So there are 2 Gopashtamis.
छोटे छोटे बछड़ों के और दूसरी
one
जो
for
है
calves, another for cows.
तो उसी प्रकार
Cows and cows.
और विशेष
Cows
करके
and cows.
आज हम लोग प्रातः काल में भी
So
अनेक
today, early in the
स्थानों
morning,
पर
also we had the darshan of so many places.
ब्रह्मांड परिक्रमा चल रहे हैं।
And because the Brajamandala Parikrama is going
पहले
on,
हम लोग नारद कुंड में
first
गए।
we went to Narada
नारद
Kunda.
जी के जीवन चरित आप लोग ने
So you heard
किया।
about the the
नारद
life history
भगवान
of
के नित्य
Narada.
परिकर है।
Narada is an eternal associate of
नारद
Lord,
के
Nita Parikar.
ओरिजिन नारद शुद्ध नारद की
The
परिचय वो गोपी भाव का है।
Pure and original Narada is Narada with Gopi Bhav.
नारद का।
Narada with Gopi Bhav is his original form.
और विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती का
Vishwanath Chakravarti in the Ujjainamani book, in the commentary,
नारद की चरित्र वर्णन करते हुए
explains about Narada
प्रसंग वर्णन करते हुए उन्होंने यह कहा
and told that
कि नारद ऋषि राधा कुंड के समीप कुसुम सरोवर में और वहीं पर जाकर के उन्होंने अनेकों साल तक तपस्या दी।
for many years Narada performed those dance in the banks of
उन्होंने
Kusum Sarovar, and then he attained Gopi Bhav.
की ओरिजिन कहा जाता है।
So the original Narada is called
कौन सा नारद?
Who?
नारद
Naradiya Gopi.
किंतु उसके मंजरी भाव की कोई उल्लेख नहीं है।
But it's not saying if he has a Manjari Bhav.
मंजरी
Some people say Narada Manjari, but
के भाव नहीं आता है।
no, not everybody is Manjari.
एक विशेष स्थिति
Manjari is something special, some special condition.
राधा जी के भवनलास करोति आदि और उसमें संक्रांति
Shrimati Radhika.
अनेक नियम है।
So the Manjaris they have Bhavula Sarati means the mount of Shrimati Radhika reflects in them
नारद
so
ऋषि के
specific
सप्त
things.
त्रेता द्वापर कली में नारद ऋषि की
Anyway,
सेवा
Narada
प्रतिष्ठा
ऋषि
की कथा आप लोगों ने श्रवण किया।
Serves in Sata Treta Dwapara, you heard all this today. Narada serves in Sata Yuga.
साधारण लोग नारद ऋषि के खोल मानते हैं।
Normal people think Narada is only creating
झगड़ा
fight and quarrel.
लगाते हैं उसे खोल कहते हैं।
It's called call. Call someone who is creating chaos and quarrel.
करने वाली झगड़ा लगाने वाली
Somebody who is always creating the chaos and disturb and fight between people, division.
वास्तव में नारद ऋषि
But
ऐसे काम
actually Narada is not like that.
नारद ऋषि इसी के द्वारा कहता है प्रेम की वर्धन करा।
Actually he's increasing the love, increasing prem.
इसलिए सप्तयुग में नारद ऋषि की कथा हम लोग भी श्रवण किया
We heard about Narada Rishi in Sata Yuga. In Sata Yuga, what did he do?
है। भक्ति अनुष्का की कथा हम लोग ने
So the story of Atri and Anuswa you heard.
वैकुंठ में जाकर के लक्ष्मी के निकट
Narada went to Vaikuntha and told Lakshmi
भक्त लोग में श्रेष्ठा जो है अनुष्का सतीत्व के बारे में।
that Anusa was so chaste,
और उसके पश्चात
topmost chaste woman in the earth.
शिव लोक में जाकर
Then Narada went to Shiva Lok,
सती देवी सती देवी के भी
also told to Parvati
बारे में सुनाया।
about the chastity of Anuswa.
और विष्णु के पास
Then also he went to,
ब्रह्मा जी के पास जाकर
ब्रह्मा
के
जी।
ब्रह्मा जी के पास
and actually he's the wife of Brahma, Brahmani,
बारे में बताया।
and he, Narada also glorified the chastity of Anuswa.
वो तीनों जो है एक साथ
And because of this, the three of them,
के बताया
they got together and they told their own husbands, let's destroy the chastity of Anuswa.
तो से ब्रह्मा विष्णु शिव
So Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva
ब्रह्मचारी के रूप में आकर के
came in the form of
के
Brahmachari
निकट में प्रार्थना की।
and they prayed to Anuswa, asking alms, begging alms, donations.
निर्वस्त्र होकर के
But they asked her to come naked to give the donations.
अपनी पत्नी
Then
कोई है
Anuswa,
ऋषि के निकट
she told her husband Atri Rishi, Atri Rishi told her, don't
जैसे
worry,
चाहते हैं ऐसे करो। किंतु
you can
देखो,
do it.
उन्होंने अपने सतीत्व के बल पर ब्रह्मा विष्णु शिव के भी छोटा
But by the potency of her chastity, she made Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva become a baby, like
श्रवण किया
1.5 month baby, very small baby.
और शिवानी और
So Lakshmi Devi, Shivani and Brahmani,
के रूप में आकर
the wives of Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva, they came
के निकट
in the form of Brahmacharini, begging alms also from Anuswa.
है। तो उस समय
So in this
उन्होंने
moment,
कहने लगे भिक्षा देना है तो इसी को भिक्षा दी। तब
so they
इसके
said, we
पश्चात
want
जो
as
है,
donation these
उस
babies.
समय पत्नी
Then
ऋषि भी आ गए।
Atri Rishi
छोटे
came.
छोटे बच्चे कौन हैं?
Who are these
पुत्र हैं।
babies?
बड़ी-
Your
बड़ी-
son.
बड़ी लड़कियां कौन हैं?
And these
स्त्रियां कौन हैं?
grown-up
बोले, आपके
girls,
पुत्र हो
they
गए
are
हैं।
your daughters-in-law.
तो इसके बाद बारे में बताया कैसे कैसे ये समस्त लीला आदि हुई है। अंत में
So this never took place, and then in the end,
जाओ इनको
Atri Rishi
तीन
told,
पुत्र के इनको वापिस कर दो।
let's give back the 3
तब फिर
babies
अनुसरण
to them.
अपने सतीत्व के बल
And
पर
also, again,
ब्रह्मा
with her
विष्णु
chastity,
के
she was able to
पुनः जो
make
बनानी
Brahma,
प्रदान
Vishnu,
किया
Shiva again come back in their youthful
और
form,
वापस कर दिया।
and she gave
और
them back
उसी
to
प्रकार
their
देखा
wives.
सर, शिव जी के कृपा से जो है
Also,
और
by the
ऐसे
mercy of Shiva, or by
उपासक
the
ऋषि प्रकट हुए।
semen of
जैसे पिता होता है ना, ऐसे पुत्र
Shiva
भी ऐसे
came,
है। इसे दुर्वासा
Durvasa.
केवल शिव जी जैसे क्रोधी है,
like Shiva is also angry.
क्रोध प्रकाश करते हैं ना, रुद्र उसी प्रकार दुर्वासा ऋषि भी
So Durvasa also
बहुत क्रोध
very angry.
है। ब्रह्मा जी की कृपा से
By the mercy of Brahma, who appeared,
चंद्रमा प्रकट हुए
the moon, Chandrama,
और विष्णु के कृपा से
and by the mercy of Vishnu,
दत्तात्रेय
Dattatreya appeared.
इसी प्रकार
All this is
नारद
described.
ऋषि सत्ययुग में भी ये भी लीला आदि प्रकाश
So Narada Rishi did this pastimes in Satyuga.
तो है।
Many other stories are also there about Narada Rishi. You heard.
त्रेता युग में रामचंद्र की लीला में राम लीला की प्रकट होने की तो नारद ऋषि की
Also in Treta Yuga, we heard also the role of Narada, a very important role manifesting Ram Leela.
नारद ऋषि
Narada was performing austerities,
तपस्या आदि करने लगे।
hard austerities.
कितने समय
Then
कामदेव आ गए।
Kamadeva came, the Cupid.
नारद ऋषि की तपस्या भंग हो गई। और उस समय कामदेव
Exactly at that moment, he stopped his
नारद
meditation.
ऋषि के प्रणाम आदि किया।
Kamadeva performed obeisances. Did pranam to Narada, and Cupid said, I lost, you won.
ये मैंने कामदेव के जीत लिया।
So Narada was so proud. I've conquered the lust. I've conquered the lust. Oh my father, I've conquered the lust. He went to his father and told this.
फिर जाकर के शिव जी के पास बोले
First to Brahma, then he went to Shiva. And Shiva told it's not possible. Then finally Narada came to Vishnu. Vishnu just smiled, and then Vishnu, he said, what do you want? Some benediction. Because Narada, what is the meaning of Narada? Na means no, Radha means nobody can stop him. Just explains, whenever Narada comes to Bhagavan, without any obstacle, he can meet Bhagavan, and he can ask anything to Bhagavan, and Bhagavan can give him. So Bhagavan says, what benediction do you want? So Narada Rishi came to Bhagavan. So Bhagavan, Krishna is Darpahari Madhusudana, means Krishna. Even if you have little bit some pride, Krishna will destroy our pride. Bhagavan saw that Narada was so proud. So he asked for a benediction. So then Bhagavan, by his Yogamaya, he created a beautiful Swayambar Sabha. Do you know what is this? When the girl is holding a garland, and she will choose her own husband to be. Narada saw a beautiful woman. He thought, I also want to take part of this Swayambar Sabha, and I want that she'll choose me as a husband. But of course, she will go for someone who is very beautiful. So everybody wants someone beautiful and gorgeous. So Narada thought, the most beautiful face is God's face. So Narada thought, I will go to Bhagavan and I will ask for his face. So Narada went and told Prabhu, please give me Harimukh. Harimukh means, Hari is one of the names of Bhagavan. Hari also means monkey. Bhagavan said, yes. The desire of Bhagavan, sorry, the desire of Narada, he wanted a face like Krishna's. But then Bhagavan gave the other meaning. Hari means monkey. the face of a monkey.
तो फिर वो विचार नारद जी विचार करने लगे मेरा तो
Narada Rishi
मुख
thought,
श्रीहरि के भांति हो गया तो वो स्वभाव में आ गया
so now my face is just like God's, Krishna. Then he came in that assembly, he said,
तावला हो गया
he was in the assembly,
एक वरमाला वो सुंदरी किसको ना दे दे
everybody was anxious to get this garland of that
जहाँ पर वो
beautiful girl, beautiful woman.
गर्दन ऐसे कर दी
So Narada, he wanted to get the garland, and so he was putting his neck, his hand in front, and then the lady, she would
वरमाला पहन
twist her face, her ears, twist her nose, seeing him, because he was very ugly. Who wants a face of monkey, right? All demigods were there, they were all laughing at Narada.
इतने समय भगवान विष्णु
Then Bhagavan Vishnu appeared.
और स्वयं वो सुंदरी वास्तव में तो लक्ष्मी देवी थी
Actually, that beautiful woman was Lakshmi Devi herself.
भगवान विष्णु के गले पर वरमाला दे दिया
So she put the garland on the neck of Vishnu.
भगवान विष्णु जो है गुरु पर बैठे और वो सुंदरी लक्ष्मी जो है
Then
गुरु पर बैठ करके
both of them sat on the back of Garuda and they left.
हाय करने लगे
Vishnu and Lakshmi.
भगवान ने
Narada Rishi was like, oh my. He didn't give me his beautiful face, and he took the garland, took the wife also, left with the girl. He cheated me.
जितने भी लोग थे हंसने लगे
Sorry, and all the demigods also, they were laughing at Narada and said, look at your own face. Narada checked in the mirror, and his face was just like a monkey's face. Very ugly.
नारद जी के बहुत क्रोध आ गया
Narada saw this, he became so angry.
भगवान श्री हरि के क्या दे दिया अभिशाप दे दिया
Then Narada cursed Bhagavan.
जैसे मैं स्त्री के लिए मैं तड़पते
Just like I'm also suffering for a woman, you will also be separated from your wife, and you'll also suffer.
उसे तड़पते रहोगे
You'll suffer for her.
ऐसे इसी प्रकार अभिशाप नारद जी से अभिशाप दे दिया भगवान ने क्या किया अच्छा ठीक है अच्छा ही
Then Bhagavan said,
और
okay.
फिर नारद ऋषि ने भगवान के कहा
Then Narada Rishi told
मुझे
Bhagavan,
बंदर मुख दिया आपने
okay, you give me the face of monkey,
यही बंदर आप बंदर
but
ही
these monkeys
आपके
then
जो
they
है,
will
स्त्रियों के जो आप
they will help
पत्नी
you
के जो है मिलाने के
retrieve
लिए
your wife back.
सहायता करेंगे
They will help you.
सेवा है। उसी के कारण से देखो नारद ऋषि की यही अभिशाप और वरदान जो कुछ भी हो है
So all
बल्कि
this,
भगवान भी भक्त को अभिशाप देता है भक्त
actually,
भी
sometimes God curses the devotee, sometimes the devotee curses
तो
Bhagavan.
उस समय कहेंगे अच्छा ठीक है उसी के लिए जो सीता हरण हुई
So that's why Sita was
उसी के
kidnapped.
लिए वास्तव रूप में राम
Actually, all the pastimes of Ram
प्रकट जो है
that was manifest in this world, it was because of this story.
के मुख्य प्रकट
The main
के लीला की तात्पर्य है यही
main origin of how the Ramlila manifested was because of this.
रावण
So
ने
Sita was kidnapped.
सीता को हरण कर
Ravana kidnapped Jai
और
Sita.
वही सीता को वापस लेने के लिए
So just to
वही
get
बंदर
his wife
आदि
back,
हनुमान आदि नौल
then the
आदि
monkeys came, Hanuman,
सभी
Nal,
लोगों ने
Nil,
किया कि
all of them helped
इसलिए
Lord Ram.
ये समझ लीला दिया रावण में एक प्रसंग आ रहा है जब
So
सीता
one
हरण
story
के
in the
बाद
Ramayana.
भगवान रामचंद्र बहुत परिश्रम
After-
दुखित होकर बैठे
After Sita was kidnapped, Ramachandra was sitting and he was so
इस
upset.
समय नारद ऋषि आए
Then Narada Rishi came.
नारद ऋषि आप नारद ऋषि जब पधारे नारद ऋषि के मन राम ऋषि मन मन विचार करने लगे
Narada was thinking,
देखो मेरे ही कारण से आज
because
भगवान
of
दुखी
me,
है, और
Prabhu,
उनके पत्नी
Lord,
को
is upset, so
हरण
sad,
करके
and his wife was taken away because of me.
बहुत सुंदर सुंदर प्रसंग भी तुलसीदास जी
So Tulsidas explains this in the Ramcharitamanas. It's a very beautiful description.
तो इसी प्रकार जो है लीला आदि दिखाते हैं नारद ऋषि की त्रेता युग में
So Narada also did many pastimes in Treta Yuga.
लीला ही समझते हैं दापर युग में
In Dwapara Yuga,
लीला तो भरी भागवत में तो पूरा भरी हो
the whole Bhagavatam is these pastimes in Dwapara Yuga of Narada.
नारद दापर युग में कौन सा लीला है
For example,
एक समय सभा में जो है रुक्मिणी सप्तम
once Rukmini Satyabhama,
1108 महिषिया विराजमान
16,908 queens were of Krishna,
परिजात आकर लेकर के
and Narada brought one Parijat flower.
भगवान ने कहा परम
to Bhagavan.
बोले प्रभु
Bhagavan said, ask for a benediction. He said, Prabhu,
पारिजात पुष्प जो है
this flower of Parijat, I want you to give to your most dear wife, your dearest wife. You must give it in her hand right now.
एक तो पारिजात पुष्प जिसके दोगे वो
So there was only one Parijata flower.
सौभाग्य मधुवन
So if
हो जाएगी और बाकी
Krishna would give that flower to one person, one wife, this
क्रोध करेगा।
wife would be very
देखो
happy and
कृष्ण
feel
ने कि
proud.
उस समय
The other wives would
दाएं
be
दाएं हाथ में कौन बैठे
Iman.
थे?
So who is sitting the right side of Krishna? Right side is Rukmini.
रुक्मिणी को दे दिया।
So automatically he took from right hand and gave to Rukmini. Satyabhama became Silky Man.
और फड़फड़ाती हुई बस सर्प की भांति ऐसे करते
She
हुए
was just like a snake hissing, so angry, and she went to the Kupa Bhavan,
तब उसमें भगवान
which is
कृष्ण ने
the angry
सप्तभामा के
palace.
कनकारी एक पुष्प किया है। एक पारिजात पुष्प
So
के लिए
Krishna was trying to
तुम्हारे
pacify her and said,
पारिजात
Satyabhama, I will bring one full Parijata flower to you.
इसलिए संग भगवान ने किया कि सत्यभामा के लेकर के कहाँ गए? सर्वलोक
So
में
Krishna
गए।
went to with Satyabhama to Swargalok.
पारिजात पेड़ को क्या कर ले? उखाड़ लिया।
Then he
उसके भी बहुत भी युद्ध हुआ।
uprooted that Parijata tree. There was a big fight described in the
भगवान
Puranas.
के साथ युद्ध हुआ है, पर इंद्र के पराजित करके वो लेकर गए और रास्ते में आने में उस समय नरकासुर की वध प्रसंग भी आ गया।
Also the story of how Narakasur was also killed.
ये नरकासुर कौन थे?
Who was Narakasur?
भगवान वराहदेव जी
The son of Varahadeva Bhagavan.
है। वराहदेव जब आने लगे ना, वराहदेव के शरीर से पसीना जब गिरने लगे,
So when Varahadeva was sweating, Narakasur came from the sweat. When the sweat of Varaha touched the earth, Prithvi, from this Narakasur appeared.
उस समय पृथ्वी देवी भगवान
In
ने
the time Prithvi Devi prayed to Bhagavan,
वराहदेव, ये मेरा पुत्र जो है बहुत दुराचारी है। लक्षण हो जाता है भाई,
Hey Varaha,
पुत्र जन्म लेने के
my son is so
बाद
bad.
ये देखने से ही पता चलता है।
After giving birth to the baby, you can see how the baby will be.
आज जन्मपुत्र बहुत दूर की बात है।
What to speak of looking at the birth charts?
जिस समय जन्म लेते हैं,
When the baby is
जन्म
born,
देखते ही पता चलता है।
just
जैसे
by seeing the,
मूली है ना,
just like the radish.
अभिज्ञ जो कृषक होता है,
Those who are really
expert
expert farmers,
वो मूली के छोटे-छोटे मूली के
even
पत्ता देख करके
they
पता
see
लगा
the
देते
small leaf of the radish and they already know
हैं।
how
ये मूली होगा कि बस ऐसे केवल बस
the radish will come nicely or
इसलिए वो
radish.
क्या करते हैं, उखाड़
The
के
radish will come nicely or not.
मूली चाष किया आपने, खेती किया?
Have you ever planted
किस समय मूली
radish?
खेती किया?
Who has planted radish? Ramesh.
देखो उसके पत्ता देखने से ही पता चल जाता है।
Only by seeing the leaf of the radish you can know
जड़ हो जाता है।
if it will be like
लंबे होते कुछ नहीं होता।
nice this roots or nice radish or will be like actually not properly growing the radish.
उसके देख कर ही पता चलता है।
So by seeing the Janma Nakshatra, the constellation of the birth, you can know how the person will be
उस समय पृथ्वी देवी विचार कर
good or not. So Prithvi Devi
ये
realized,
मेरा तो पुत्र, किंतु ये बहुत
he's my son Narakasur, but he will be very evil.
और भगवान इसको मारेंगे।
Bhagavan will kill him.
इसलिए उस समय पृथ्वी देवी
So Prithvi Devi at that moment, she prayed to Varahadeva and said, Prabhu, don't kill my son.
तो उस समय भगवान ने कहा, अच्छा
Varahadevi told,
हैं?
huh?
किंतु तुम्हारे पुत्र को मैं
Okay,
नहीं,
I'll not kill your son.
हैं? किंतु जब तुमने आदेश दोगे,
But when you
तब मैं
yourself
इसको-
tell me to kill him, then I will kill him.
तो वही जो है सत्यभामा जब गुरु जी
So
के
this
पीठ पर
Satyabhama,
जब
when she
आई,
sat on the
हैं?
back of
ये
Garuda
नरकासुर
and they were coming,
भगवान की पीठ पर आक्रमण कर,
Narakasura attacked Bhagavan.
और उस समय हैं, सत्यभामा यही तो भूदेवी पृथ्वी देवी के
So Satyabhama is one expansion of,
तो उसमें
or
सत्यभामा ने
Prithvi
कहा
Devi's
कि
expansion of
भगवान-
Satyabhama,
तो भगवान श्री हरि ने माने कृष्ण ने
something like that.
वो
So Satyabhama told, kill him. Then Krishna killed
ये सब
Narakasura.
कथा विवरण दिया है, बहुत सुंदर कथा जो है।
This is all very well described.
16,000 राजकन्या कन्याएं जो है,
Narakasura, he had arrested 16,000
बंदी बना के
queens,
रखा था।
princesses,
और
sorry,
उसके पश्चात
princesses.
जो है,
Then
भगवान ने
after
क्या
that,
की?
Swayam Bhagavan
और
himself
16,000 राजकन्या को उन्होंने
married to
विवाह
these
करके दिया।
16,000
ये
princesses.
बहुत सुंदर कथाएं हैं।
This is a beautiful story.
इसी प्रकार दापर जी में अनेकों कथाएं, नारद ऋषि तो भूमिका तो
The role of Narada Rishi is unlimited. So many
जहाँ पर
stories
देखिए
in the
श्रीमद् भागवत में कहीं नहीं
Dwapara Yuga.
है। जिस समय
There's no story in the
कंस ने
Bhagavatam.
जब देव के 6 पुत्र क्या बोले
Sorry, there's a story in the Bhagavatam that explains that
आकाशवाणी हुई,
when there was the
जब आकाशवाणी
aerial
हुई,
voice,
अरे मूर्ख कंस,
and the aerial voice told Kamsa,
जो
foolish
अपनी
Kamsa,
बहन देव
you
के
are
घना घटा करके विवाह
marrying
करा
your
करके
sister
वसुदेव
very
विवाह
nicely
करा
with
करके
Vasudeva.
और रथ पर बैठा करके तुम ले जा रही हो,
You're riding her chariot and bringing her, but the eighth son of her sister will kill you.
उस समय कंसा ने क्या किया?
Then Kamsa, what did he
ना
do?
रहे बांस,
He
ना
said, where
बजे,
there is no bamboo, there will be no flute.
चोटी पकड़ करके
So he took Devaki, dragged her by the hair,
और तलवार से जो है उसको मारने
put
का
her
प्रयास।
out of the chariot and tried to kill her with the sword. But Vasudeva Maharaj tried to explain to him, look,
सारे के बच्चों को आपको दे दूं,
I will give all the sons, all the
असली
babies.
हत्या करके तुम्हारे
This will not be good for you to kill a woman. You'll be defamed in the assembly of the heroes. Shastra explains,
जो होते हैं वो कभी स्त्रीवाद नहीं करते।
brave men will never kill a woman. Imagine to kill your own sister.
वीर समाज में
This will be very harmful for your reputation.
तुम्हारे कलम उसमें वसुदेव महाराज ने कहा,
So Vasudeva Maharaj
मैं
told,
चाहता हूँ ये सारे पुत्र के जो है
I will
तुम्हारे
give
हाथ
all
में,
the sons in your hand.
इसके पश्चात है,
Then
कंस
after
ने क्या
that,
की,
Kamsa-
देवकी और वसुदेव के जो है अपने घर में नजरबंदी करके रखा।
Kamsa was keeping Devaki and Vasudeva as
और उस समय
home
नारद
prisoners.
ऋषि भी आ गए। नारद
So
ऋषि
Narada
आकर
Rishi
के
also came
कंस के कहा, कंस
and told
सब
Kamsa,
ठीक हो ना, गुरुदेव,
Kamsa, everything's
सब
okay?
कुशल है।
Yes, Gurudev, everything's good.
बोले आकाशवाणी क्या हुई?
But there was the every
बोले
voice,
आकाशवाणी
right?
तो हुई,
Yes, yes, every voice
कि
told,
आठवां गर्भ
the
जो
eighth
है,
son of
वो
Devaki
आकर
will
के मुझे
come and
मार डाला।
kill me.
बोले कौन सा आठवां, कौन सा बताओ?
But which one is the eighth son?
है, आठ जो है लड्डू लेकर
If you
जाओ।
take 8 laddus, 8 sweet balls, and you put them in a circle,
प्लेट में ऐसे घुमा करके रखो, है।
in a plate in a circle position, very nicely decorated, like nice.
2 3 4 5 6
How to count?
अच्छा ये आठ
Which one is
या
the
फिर
first?
एक के
Which
बाद
one is the
एक
eighth?
गिनो तो
You can start counting from
है,
one or
1
another.
2 3 4 कौन
1,
सा?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which one is the eighth? Which one is the first? Which one is the last?
नारद ऋषि कम नहीं है,
Narada is also
है?
very
और विष्णु भी कम नहीं है।
clever.
तुम जिसको कहते हो
विष्णु
आठ हो
also.
जाए, पहला जो है वो आठ।
So Vishnu is very clever. Maybe the eighth is the first.
अब आप बताइए किसी,
And is this true or not? You tell me.
ये विष्णु की कोई ये नहीं है, नियम नहीं है, कब कहाँ से प्रकट होती है। तो
Vishnu
क्या
can
करना है
appear
गुरुदेव?
anywhere. Okay, so what I have to do, Gurudev?
हमसे ने कहा गुरुदेव मुझे क्या करना है?
Kamsa told, what should I
तो
do?
नारद ऋषि भी कहने लगे,
नारद
ऐसे
told
गुरु और ऐसी भी चेला भी कम नहीं है।
So you see, like both same, the guru and disciple.
जी, जय। बोले एक काम करो, ना रे बांस ना बजाओ।
Okay, where there's no bamboo, there will be no flute.
अरे
So what to
देव
do?
के जितने पुत्र हो,
Kamsa, oh, Narada told
सभी
Kamsa,
को,
kill all the sons of Devaki.
है, क्या पता है? कहें खतरा खत्म करो। है, सबसे बढ़िया।
He's the best. Finish everything.
समझ में नहीं है। और सिद्धांति महाराज को अच्छा ही
Our
बोलते
Siddhanta Maharaj was speaking very nicely today. What he said?
हैं।
Somebody asked him,
उसके एक जगह रखने की क्या बात है?
why to keep the husband and wife together? This would be the best solution, right? Separate Devaki and Vasudev to different rooms, in different places. So somebody asked Siddhanta Maharaj, why, if Devaki would be put in a different prison, this would solve the problem of the babies.
संविधान है ना,
Because in Indian culture,
एक साथ स्त्री पुरुष के एक साथ में रखा नहीं जाता।
husband and wife are not, woman and men are not put in the same place. Each one in different prison.
नहीं तो और भी कदाचार करेगा।
Otherwise, even worse, big problems.
तो कौन से लोग नहीं रखा पड़े? हैं? तो हैं? कृष्ण कंस के मूर्खता दिखाई। हैं?
So showing
किंतु सिद्धांत तो क्या है?
is
हैं? अरे भगवान
okay, but what is this Siddhanta? So he showed, Narada showed Kamsa was foolish, but actually Bhagavan is not appearing from the meeting of a husband and a wife, or a man and a woman.
बच्चा जो है वो सड़गर्भा जो था
Also the six sons Devaki also she had, they needed to come to life because actually they were cursed by Brahma.
काल में तो कौन सा अरे मरीच मरीच
So they were the 6 sons of Marichi.
हो गया अच्छा यदि देवकी वसुदेव यदि अलग करके
If
रखा
Devaki and
जाता,
Vasudeva were separate,
अच्छा,
not in the
तब तो
same
संतान
prison,
होता कि नहीं होता? आप
would
बताओ।
she be pregnant or not? You tell me.
क्या कोई प्रमाण है?
Do you have any evidence for that?
स्त्री पुरुष से मिलन से जो होगा ऐसे कोई नहीं है।
It's not that actually she did not become pregnant by union, physical union, physical union.
अनेकों जो है देखा जाए ऋषि आदि जो है
So many rishis actually at the time
ऐसे जो है स्त्री पुरुष से मिलन नहीं है।
they have babies not by physical union.
देखे है? जैसे भगीरथ,
For example, Bhagirath.
जन्म वृत्तांत आप जानते
You don't know about how he was born, Bhagirath?
के जन्म जो है उनकी माता पिता से मिलन से नहीं हुए।
He was not born from the also physical union of his parents. Srimad Bhagavatam explains.
भगीरथ में जो है वो स्त्री मिलन से ही भगीरथ के जन्म हुआ।
Actually was born from the meeting of two women.
हैं?
Stri.
अच्छा देखो गोकर्ण के जन्म वृत्तांत भी दिखाया गया।
Also about Gokarna also we hear.
आगे नहीं, ये तो पद्म पुराण में ही है कि नहीं है?
It's in the Padma Purana.
संत महात्मा ने
Gokarna.
एक मंत्रमुग्ध करके एक फल दे दिया किसको?
So one sadhu gave mantra in one
आत्मा
fruit
ब्राह्मण अपने पत्नी
and gave to Atmadeva Brahman.
धुंधली को दे दिया किंतु धुंधली
And then Atmadeva Brahman gave that fruit to his wife, Dunduli, but she gave the fruit to the cow.
गोकर्ण
And then Gokarna was born from the cow.
देखा जाए शास्त्र
So Shastra explains that
जरूरी नहीं है।
it's not necessary that the baby will be born from physical union of man and wife, man and a woman.
यदि कंस यदि देवकी के एक
So if Kamsa would have put Vasudeva in a different prison,
क्या ये संतान संति होती कि नहीं?
would she be pregnant and give babies or not? Yes.
विधि के विधान
This, who can stop the desires of God?
है, जो होने वाले हैं
That thing which is about to happen will happen.
क्या है, बहाना मात्र है।
Everything is just an excuse.
तथापि लोक रीति के अनुसार देखा जाता है भगवान की लीला भी देखा
But of course, also performing pastimes like a human being, these things are also there. We see also in the pastimes of Mahaprabhu. Jagannatha Mishra told, "Oh, I saw a divine light coming from enter my body, and then this came out and entered inside the body of Shachi Devi."
उसी प्रकार भगवान और भक्त की यही जन्म वृत्तांत माना जाता है। स्त्री पुरुष से क्यों? भगवान और भक्त जो होते हैं,
So, the God and pure devotees,
प्रकार जो है
they are not born from the physical union of man and woman.
समझना
You have to understand this Tattva Siddhanta. Tattva
वो तो
Siddhanta.
भगवत इच्छा से केवल प्रकट होते हैं।
They appear from desire of God.
कहा जाता है एक मैजिशियन
Just like a magician
जैसे संसार में अनेक वस्तु दिखाती है,
shows many magic tricks, amazing magic tricks.
हाँ, समझिए।
They look like supernatural.
सुंदर
I always tell the story. One magician showed a beautiful
और
magic
जिसको
trick.
देख करके महारानी ने
Seeing
उस
this,
मैजिशियन को क्या
the
दिया? एक
queen
सुंदर गले को मन
gave a
हाथ
beautiful
दे
necklace.
दिया। और वो मैजिशियन ने क्या कि अपने पत्नी
The
को
queen
दे दिया
gave the
और
beautiful
अपने
necklace to
पत्नी
the
ने क्या
magician.
कि
Magician
अपने
gave to his wife.
एक बच्चे
Wife
के
gave
हाथ
the
में दिया।
necklace to
और
the
उसके
two
दूसरे
kids.
बच्चा ने वो दोनों लेकर के क्या की
Their two kids. When the two kids they were fighting over the necklace,
और दोनों में ऐसे गुस्सा आ गया।
and they became angry. The two
दोनों
kids.
तलवार उठाया
They took
और
the
एक ही
sword,
साथ में एक दूसरे के
and
गला
at the same time they chopped off each other's necks.
और इसको देख करके मैजिशियन के
Seeing this,
पत्नी
the wife of the magician was so
उन्होंने भी तलवार
upset.
उठाया, सब
Also, she
सामने
also
चला
took
गया।
a knife,
और
a
मैजिशियन
sword, and in
देखा
front of
मेरा
everyone,
दो
she
बेटा
just
भी
also
चला गया,
killed
पत्नी
herself.
भी चली गई।
Husband said also, my two sons died, my wife also. Again, in front of everyone, he took his sword and also killed himself.
सुख सवाल।
So, suddenly, four dead
चारों
bodies.
के जो शरीर को एक बड़ी में डाल दिया।
So they put all the four dead bodies in
जलाया
like
गया सबके सामने।
in the wood, and it was cremated, everything in front of everyone.
और ऐसा सब जला जला दिया, बिल्कुल छह भस्म कर दिया।
They became ashes, the four bodies, in front of everyone's eyes.
फिर 2-3 दिन के बाद जैसे
After
काल
2-3
के क्या
days,
करके उठा-
they observed some homage to the person who died. Shok Sabha, like they gather together and like lament over the loss and glorify that person who who left.
सभा में महाराजा जो है
Queen was there, king also.
अपने भाव को व्यक्त करते जा
So the king was about to explain his sorrow.
मेरे पत्नी की वजह से
Oh, because of
चारों प्राणियों के क्या हुआ?
my
मौत हो गई,
4 people died.
कम हो गई। है? इतने समय डकिया आया,
Then
माने पोस्टमैन
a
आया।
postman
और
came
पोस्टमैन में एक विशाल एक पत्र
and he
लिखा।
brought
और राजा
a
के पास
letter.
दे दिया, बोले महाराज पढ़ने लगे।
And then
उस पत्र में
Maharaj, the
यही
king,
लिखा
started
था,
to read,
"हे
and in the beginning was
महाराज,
written,
उस दिन
Maharaj,
हम जो आप लोगों को जो मैजिक दिखाया उसको देख करके आपकी पत्नी महारानी
that day
ने बहुत
we showed you
मूल्यवान
some magic trick, and then your wife gave a very expensive necklace as a gift to us.
और जिसके फलस्वरूप
And because of that, four of us, we died. The
आज
four
हम
of us.
आपके पास आ रहा हूँ
Now we are coming back to you
मैजिक दिखाने के लिए।
to show more magic
आप हमें
tricks.
कौन सा
So which kind of
उपहार देंगे?
gift will you give us
ऐसे
now?
करके जब वही राजा उसके
So
पैर
as
पर
soon as
पड़ने
the
लगे,
king
पैर
read
साफ
this
होने के
letter,
साथ ही साथ
immediately
वही चारों क्या
these
हुए?
4 family members, magician, and his wife,
और उनकी
and his 2
दो पुत्र
sons, they came.
सब देख करके आश्चर्य हुए।
Everybody saw that and became amazed in front of everyone.
सबके सामने
They died in front of one. They were burned, turned to ashes. So how is it possible?
हैं? बोले इसी की कहा जाता
This
है
is called
मैजिक कहा जाता
magic.
है। मैजिक और कुछ नहीं है।
Magic is
एक
there's nothing
प्रकार से
else.
हाथ के सफाई होता है।
Sometimes some magic tricks with the hands also.
और दूसरी क्या है? कुछ तंत्र मंत्र आदि के द्वारा
Sometimes it's just like some
आपकी
illusion
क्या
in your
कहते हैं,
eyes.
दृष्टि के जो है,
And sometimes also some tantra mantra, and they do najar bandhi, means like
आप सोचते
they
हैं सच है, ये
they
तो सच
close
है।
your eyes close like they shut your vision and you think it's true but it's not.
हैं? कोई लोग कहते हैं ऐसे घड़ा ले लेते हैं।
Sometimes
घड़ा
they
के
bring one
अंदर क्या
pot.
देते हैं, एक बर्फ रख देते हैं।
Inside the pot they put some
हैं?
ice,
और बर्फ के ऊपर नारियल रख देते
and they
हैं।
put some
घड़ा के ऊपर
coconut on
नारियल
top.
रख देते हैं।
On top of the ice a
नारियल
coconut.
रख देते हैं, उसमें सिंदूर लगा करके
They
कहते
put
हैं,
sindoor
ये तेरे घर
and
में
they
ऐसे
say,
क्या हो रहा है? कारण क्या है जानते हो?
You know why something's
तेरे
bad
घर
in your
में,
house?
ये भूत पिशाच है, ये
Some
है,
ghost
वो
in your
है,
house, this in your
है,
house,
देख,
some-
मैं
look,
गंगा को यहाँ पर प्रकट
I am manifesting the Ganges right here,
आपने
right now.
घड़ा रखते हैं ना,
So the
तो
person
आपने ऐसे रख देता है घड़ा को, नीचे जो बर्फ है ना,
is
वो
holding
पिघल
the
जाता है,
hand,
और नारियल को
holding the
ऐसे
pot,
ऐसे डाल
and then the
देते हैं।
ice starts to
देखो,
melt,
किसी गंगा के प्रकट
and some water is coming out of the pot, and you think it's like Ganges, but actually it's just that
ये
ice.
समझते क्या है, अनेक प्रकार ऐसे दिखा करके विशेष कर स्त्री जाति होते हैं ना,
Especially women, they fall
ये
for these
बहुत क्या
things
होता है, सरल स्वभाव होते हैं,
because they're very
और
simple women.
attractive होता है, इसके
They
सारे
become
पैसे
so
वो
attracted and they give all their money to the magicians.
है। कुछ लोग नजरबंदी भी करा देते हैं।
Some people they do najar bandi, like some hypnosis,
आप अपने जितने भी अलंकार हैं,
hypnosis, and
सब अपने
you
हाथ से
yourself you give everything you have to them. We hear so many incidents like this. Hypnosis, they hypnotize you and then take everything from you. Actually, you give like you yourself give to them.
और रिक्शा में बैठा दिया उसको, रिक्शा में बैठा घर भेज दिया
गुस्से में घर में बैठे
और
दिए।
घर जाके याद आई कि मेरा सब ले लिया, हमारे मंदिर से गई और ले लिया।
ऐसे ऐसे लोग भी करते हैं।
Yes, some people they really do that.
भगवान और क्यों नहीं कर
So
सकते?
imagine if God can also do that. Why not?
देखो कहने की ये तात्पर्य है,
So what I want to say
मैं
is that
इसलिए कह रहा है, यदि कोई कहे ये देवकी और वसुदेव की यदि अलग
if
करके
someone
रखा
says
जाता,
that Devaki Vasudeva should be put apart, then no
ये
babies
छह
would
पुत्र
come.
नहीं होते
You think the 6 babies will not come? They would
है,
anyway.
कोई बात
No problem.
है। और भगवान की प्रकट होना तो कोई और कोई विशेष कोई
And
कोई
for
बात
Bhagavan to manifest, then this is of course. For Krishna, of course
भगवान
not.
तो कहीं भी प्रकट हो सकता है।
Bhagavan can appear anywhere.
वराहदेव भगवान
You see,
ब्रह्मा जी की-
Varahadeva, he appears from
नाक से
the
प्रकट हो गया।
nostrils of Brahma.
है। नृसिंहदेव भगवान खंबे से प्रकट हो गए।
Nrsimhadeva appeared from
तो
the
भगवान
pillar.
कृष्ण के लिए कौन सा ये बात? तथापि
So for
भगवान
Krishna, of course,
सर्वत्र
also.
वाला मनुष्य के वास-
No problem. But still, Bhagavan is performing pastimes like a human being.
हाँ। अनेक लीलाएं नहीं हो जाती।
Many pastimes are
तो
there.
ये नारद ऋषि के जो है ये समझते हुए श्रीमद् भागवत से सारा रात बोलते रहे और
So we
समाप्त
could
नहीं
speak a lot the whole night about Narada Rishi, would never be
हुआ।
enough.
सत्य त्रेता द्वापर कलि युग में क्या है?
He served in Satya, Treta, Dwapara, and Kali Yuga.
कलि युग में वही नारद ऋषि
Narada Rishi
देखो
came
किस
as
रूप में प्रकट हुए
which form?
हैं? श्रीवास ठाकुर जी
In the form of Srivas Thakur.
है और श्रीवास जी के आगे महाप्रभु लीला में कैसे सेवा दी
And Srivas served so much in the Leelas of
और
Mahaprabhu.
भी नारद ऋषि और लीला में तो ब्रह्मचारी के रूप में जो अधिक रूप में
In
दिखा
other
गया।
Leelas he is seen as
ये
a
तो महाप्रभु
brahmachari.
की लीला में
But in the Leela of
गृहस्थ लीला
Mahaprabhu
आदि
he is
दिखा
as Grihastha.
है। देखो है, जिसके महाप्रभु उनके घर में सदा सर्वदा नाम संकीर्तन आदि करते हैं।
Mahaprabhu was also always doing Nama
शिवाजी के
Sankirtan in
बेटा
his
मर
house.
गया और
The
धरात्री
son
में
of
वो भी
Srivas
छोटा बेटा
dies in the middle
और
of the
उनकी
night.
पत्नी जो है रोने
His
लगी,
youngest
स्त्रियाँ
son.
रोने लगी।
And the
और
women
उस दिन चैतन्य
started to
महाप्रभु
cry.
नाम संकीर्तन कर रहे
Women
थे।
of the house. Mahaprabhu was doing Nama Sankirtan in the
और
house that
शिवाजी
day.
ने देखा कि अब स्त्रियाँ रोए तो
Srivasa
महाप्रभु
saw
के नाम
women were
संकीर्तन में
crying.
बाधा होगा
And this will be an obstacle
इसलिए
to
शिवाजी
the
जाकर
Nam
के
Sankirtan.
सारी स्त्रियों को अपने पत्नी को बोली तुम रोते रहो
शिवाजी
और
told,
महाप्रभु के नाम संकीर्तन में
You
बाधा हो
continue
तो मैं
crying,
ही
and this will be an
गंगा में
obstacle
जाकर
to Mahaprabhu's Sankirtan.
के,
If you
अपने-
continue crying, I'll go to the Ganges and I will kill myself.
और इधर महाप्रभु सर्वंतर्यामी महाप्रभु के
Mahaprabhu
शिवास,
knows everything and told
तुम्हारे घर में
Shivas,
कोई ऐसे अनहोनी हुई
has something bad happened here in your house?
शिवास को कोई प्रभु कैसे हो
Shivas
सकता है
said,
आप
Prabhu,
हमारे
of
घर में
course
जाओ
not, you're in my
आप
house.
नामी पुरुष है
You are the
नामी
embodiment of good names.
नाम
Your
संकीर्तन हो रहा है।
Nama Sankirtan is going on. How possible?
हैं? ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? क्योंकि महाप्रभु के नहीं नारद
Mahaprabhu
के
said, no,
श्रीवास
Shivas.
कुछ तो हुए।
Something happened.
तब समय श्रीवास ठाकुर महाप्रभु के चरण पकड़ कर
Then Shivas
पकड़
took
करके
hold of
सारी
the
बात सुनाया।
feet of
और
Mahaprabhu and told
महाप्रभु
everything.
श्रीवास,
Mahaprabhu told,
मारा गया।
Shivas, your son died
तुमने मुझे समाचार दिया।
and you didn't even inform me.
और इसके पश्चात चैतन्य महाप्रभु श्रीवास जी के मृत
Then Mahaprabhu put his hand on the chest of the baby and called the baby back. The baby knows sorry, the son.
ये कौन किसके पुत्र होता
And
है,
then the
कौन
son
किसके-
came back and told, who is whose son,
कौन
who is
किसके
whose
पिता है,
father,
कौन भाई है, कौन-
who is this
दातवकंता कस्ते पुत्र,
Father,
संसारं
brother.
अतीव विचित्र, कस्य तुम कथित आयत, यदि हम तत्व चिंत्य भ्रात, शंकराचार्य जो कहते हैं, तुम कहाँ से
Shankaracharya explains, where are you from?
आए? और तुम कहाँ से? आत्मा अजर अमर होता है, जन्म जन्मांतर
The soul is,
के उसकी कोई मृत्यु नहीं है, ना
the soul has no birth and death. We're coming from life after life.
न जायते न मृत्यु।
There's no birth, no death for the soul.
आत्मा तो अमर है, शरीर हम छोड़ देते हैं।
We're only changing body, but the soul is
उसी
immortal.
प्रकार महाप्रभु शिवास जी के मृत पुत्र के द्वारा जगत जीवन की शिक्षा दी।
So in this way,
संसार में लोग शोक प्रकाश आदि करते हैं।
Mahaprabhu gave so many teachings.
मेरा 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 मेरा।
Here we are suffering so much. Oh, my mother, father, it's mine.
नारद
and
जी की
suffering.
अनेक कथा है।
Narada Rishi has so many stories.
वो तो महाप्रभु की लीला में प्रवेश करे।
Yeah, he entered the pastimes of Mahaprabhu.
यहाँ पर ये जगत जी को शिक्षा देना है ना।
Actually, he's giving the teaching to the jivas of this world,
जगत जी को शिक्षा देना है।
giving teachings.
यदि नहीं होते तो संसार के लोग शोक प्रकाश करते हैं ना।
If this will not take place, people would lament so much in this world. Because you see, the son of Shivasa, what did he say? Prabhu, why you called me? I was so happy in your dham. Actually, I wasn't already in your abode. Why did you call me back?
और ये तुम्हारे पिताजी रो रहे हैं, तुम्हारे माता
Now
जी
your
रो
father
रहे
is
हैं,
crying, your mother is crying, just like in this
तो ये
world.
कौन जन्म के मेरा माता था, कौन
Then he
जन्म के
said,
पिता था?
but they are my mother
ये
and father
संसार
from
में
which
क्या
birth?
संबंध है?
What is my relationship with them?
संबंध होता ही कुछ है।
There's
ये
no
तो शरीर के
relationship.
संबंध होता है, शरीर छूट जाता है,
Only
संबंध
bodily
छूट जाता है।
relationship. After you give up the body, the relationship
आज
is also
बताओ,
cut.
शरीर छूट जाने से
When you give up the
सब
body,
छूट जाता है।
everything is cut and finished.
और हम लोग सब पिंड भी छुड़ाते हैं।
Even we offer the pinda,
गंगा में, जमुना में जाके पिंड
we go to the
छुड़ाते
Ganges
हैं।
and Jamuna, we offer pinda.
पिंडदान करते भाई छूट जाते
In this way, we are like giving up this relationship we have with that person,
हैं।
cutting the relationship.
ऐसा तथापि हम लोग क्यों करते हैं?
So why we are
ऐसा
doing
तो उसके
more?
आत्म कल्याण के लिए हम
Just to
महाप्रसाद
benefit
वैष्णव विधि में होता है।
Their soul,
ये उसके
according to the Vaishnava
महाप्रसाद
rules,
देने से
we are offering Mahaprasad for the benefit of that person, auspiciousness of that person, that soul. This is the injunctions of the scriptures.
धुंधुकारी इतने महाप्रभु,
Dundukari, he was so
इतने पिंड आदि
sinful.
तब भी नहीं गया।
His brother did so many pindas to him, but still didn't work.
तब भी नहीं हुआ। अंत में
He gave
क्या
him
करना पड़ा?
Mahaprasad and so many things, but in the
भागवत
end,
करना।
he had to do the
जो
Bhagavatam for
महापापी
him.
होती है ना,
Those were great sinners.
उनकी और कुछ भी नहीं।
They don't have other resolution to save them. Only
भागवत श्रवण करना।
they must hear
यह कोई भी करे,
Bhagavatam.
नारद ऋषि करे।
Narada Rishi also says,
नारद जी करे, देखो, हैं, मैंने सब कुछ कर दिया।
you have
तथापि वो जागृत नहीं है। नारद ऋषि को भक्ति देवी के बारे में जो कथा है, तो भागवत श्रवण कराने से ही सब कुछ हो जाता है।
so by listening to the Bhagavatam,
भागवत
everything
की
happens.
महिमा दिखा रहे हैं। देखो शास्त्र में जो कुछ कहा गया
So what Shastra
है,
says,
प्रसंग क्रम से उसकी महिमा वर्णन करना है। भागवत की महिमा सर्वश्रेष्ठ है।
the glories of the Bhagavatam are so much.
इसलिए श्रीवास केवल नारद ऋषि का नहीं पक्का है।
Many stories of Narada Rishi.
कहीं किसी के अहंकार हो जाए, नारद ऋषि क्या करते हैं? इसके सारे अहंकार,
If somebody
भगवान
has
करते हैं,
ego,
सारे अहंकार को ध्वंस कर देते
Like Bhagavan destroys all his egos.
हैं। एक बार नारद ऋषि और
Once
भगवान
Narada Rishi and
दोनों चल
Bhagavan
रहे थे। नारद
go for
ऋषि अहंकार हो
walking.
गया।
Narada Rishi had so much ego
मैं माया के जीत लिया।
and pride.
भगवान ने
I
क्या किया?
conquered the
बोले,
lust, I
नारद,
conquered
मेरे
the
लिए
lust.
पानी लेकर के आओ।
Narada, bring some water for me. Krishna told Narada, bring some water to me. Then Narada went to take the water, but he didn't find water anyway. In one place he saw a beautiful, a very big lake. Bhagavan by Jagannath, he manifested a big lake, very beautiful lake, so beautiful, with crystal water, and it was surrounded by beautiful rocks and stones. Looked like from silver, and the water of that lake was so beautiful, like blue water. If you drop one coin, even if you're not thirsty, only by seeing this water, you'll feel thirsty, because you could even see the coin come to the bottom. So beautiful place with so many trees and plants, bumblebees humming, everything. Beautiful fragrance in the air. Narada Rishi saw this. Oh, let me drink some water first, then I'll bring to Krishna. When he put his two hands to drink the water, immediately a beautiful 16-year-old girl appeared to also take water in her pots. She was so beautiful, she saw Narada, and all the water fell from his hands. And he started to drink another water. Which water? The water of the beautiful form of that young lady. All his thirst was quenched only with her. Do you understand? Oh, beautiful. Where have you come from? So I started from there. And she's also nothing less. Imagine. She's Maya herself, so she's very clever also. I came to bring water, to take water. After 2-4 words or lines, already he wanted to get married to her. And he got married, they had babies, they even built a beautiful house. Who wants to go away from such a beautiful place like that lake? You are so beautiful, I'm also so beautiful. We want to stay together. Bhagavan was seeing from far and laughing. Narada was so proud, thinking he had conquered the lust. Look what happened to him. Now he's stuck like I'm saying, stuck no, like yeah, he's in the grasp of Maya, but he doesn't see. Trapped, he's trapped. Then what happened? Like in Orissa, there was a big hurricane, like a storm. So in the same way, this kind of hurricane, storm, big rain and storm came, and then by the hurricane, even the house of Narada and this woman, the house was taken by the wind. So the wife was going one way, son another way, daughter another way. So they were trying to get hold of each other. My father, crying. Narada was crying. Whatever they had in the house, everything was taken by the currents of the water. Narada was praying, Prabhu, help me. So in the time of some calamity, we always think about God. Then Bhagavan appeared and told, hey Narada, I told you to bring water for me, huh? I was thirsty. My throat was so dry. Where is the water? Then Narada remembered, oh Prabhu, what is your Maya? So Narada understood. I was completely trapped in Maya. So the meaning is, no one can conquer the lust. Only Bhagavan, Sri Hari. That's why he performed Rasa Leela, Krishna. Why? To show this also. Only Bhagavan, Sri Hari can, Bhagavan Krishna, only he can conquer the lust. So another name of the Rasa Leela is Kam Vijay Leela. Kama Vijay Leela, the Leela of conquering the lust. Kamadeva, the Cupid himself, came to fight with Krishna, you know. Then Bhagavan, with his sidelong glances, he looked to Kamadeva, and Kamadeva was defeated. He fell on the ground, fainted. The Cupid, only by the sidelong glance of Krishna. Many roles of Narada Rishi. There are many roles. We could speak whole night and it would never be ended.
हाँ अच्छा वो तो भोग
They offered already?
अभी प्रसाद लीला
So now it's Prashada Leela.
अच्छा छोटे एक लीला कथा के सुना
Okay, let me tell you just one small story about Narada Rishi.
ये छोटे लीला ज्यादा नहीं।
It's a small Leela, not big.
देखो नारद ऋषि के एक
Narada Rishi had a couple, disciple.
को उतर के वहाँ थी।
They were like two pigeons. This Grihastha couple. You know, like male pigeon and female pigeon.
घर में आते थे कि
So,
खिलाना पिलाने में बहुत
like very in love with each other, so much captivated by the relationship.
आज में
So Narada Rishi came to their house.
तो पति पत्नी बड़े गुरुदेव गुरुदेव करके बस
They're like, oh Gurudev, Gurudev, Gurudev.
उनके खिलाना पिलाना में
Feeding
रसोई
Narada,
बनाने लगे।
cooking for him.
नारद ऋषि मने मने चिंता
Narada was thinking in his mind,
शिष्य के पास वो खाने के लिए
I didn't come to my disciple to
ये
eat
लोग के
from
मेरा
him.
बारे में कुछ जानते
They don't know about me
उनके बारे में
exactly.
कोई ज्ञान ही नहीं।
They don't have no knowledge
अरे
about
संत
me.
महात्मा आते हैं खाने के लिए
The saint does not come to your house to eat in your house.
हरि कथा
He comes for
नहीं
Harikatha.
सुना तो बेकार है।
If you don't hear Harikatha, it's
आता नहीं कोई
useless.
है। खाना तो बिना है हाँ खाने के लिए तो बारात मेहमान तो आते आते किंतु हरि कथा कहाँ मिली?
How to get Harikatha?
मैं आया हूँ ये लोग के हरि कथा सुनना नहीं चाहते
I came here, but they don't want to listen to my Harikatha. Many people they are like this. They don't want to listen to Harikatha. They want to do everything else but Harikatha. They become so busy in other
एक
things.
साल में एक बार आए कम से कम
1 year I came to your house. At least listen to some Harikatha. Get some benefit. I came to your house.
खाना पीना मत बनाओ
I'm not saying for you not to cook. Yes, do the food also. Cook the food, provide the food, but also listen to Harikatha. The main thing is the Harikatha.
हरि कीर्तन नहीं
If
हुआ
there was no Harikatha, no
आपके चले
Harikirtan.
उसके लाभ क्या है?
So what is the benefit? I came and ate in your house. Then what is the benefit?
हरि कथा देखो नारद ऋषि देखा ये तो हरि कथा
Narada Rishi saw.
अरे हरि कथा वही तो सुनेगा जिसके जन्मांतर में
Actually, who will hear Harikatha? That person who has security from life after life.
भागवत में आ रहा है
In the Bhagavatam, there is one verse.
दिनंग मनने वह दिन
That day is a bad day. Which day is a bad
जिस
day?
दिन बारिश होती है
People think the day which rains is a bad day
धंधा पानी नहीं
because the shops close, you cannot sell products.
वो कहते हैं आज मेरा बेकार दिन चला
And today is a useless day because
वही
I couldn't even sell anything because there was no clients.
में कुछ नहीं पड़ा तो उस दिन दुर्दिन कहते हैं ना
So that's a bad day for the people in this world. They think this is a bad day.
घनाघोर बारिश हुई
It was raining so much. I didn't get any money, no client, customer, nothing.
किंतु श्रीमद् भागवत में
But
कहते
in
हैं
the Srimad Bhagavatam says, what is a bad day?
हम लोग
That
भगवत कथा
day
से
in which we are deprived of Bhagavad
कथा
Katha.
सुनते नहीं
We don't hear Bhagavad Katha. That is a
खाने
bad
पीने की
day.
नहीं है
It's not a day
हैं?
about like the food or something like that. You got the food or not.
जाते थे आपके समय बोले गुरु बोले तू
अरे हम लोग के बिना हम लोग मर से खा के चलते थे नहीं मर से खा के
Actually, I
हम
already
लोग
took
चलते
prasad
थे,
before
9
coming
बजे
here.
जाते थे
लौट के आते थे जब खाते थे
हैं?
Ah, sorry.
8:30 9 बजे
They're mentioning when they used to
हम
go
लोग
for
जाते
programs
थे।
before in Mathura.
और गुरुदेव
So they
हरि
used to
कथा
take
बोले,
prasad
12
before
बजे
in
हम लोग
Mathura.
लौट करके आते थे।
So we used to go for house programs 9 p.m. Okay, 8:30, 9 p.m. going to the house program just for Harikatha and Kirtan, then coming back midnight.
बच्चे करते हैं ना, हैं, दर्शाए देते हैं। वो
So
दुकान
because
बंद करके घर में जाएंगे और
The
फिर
shop owners,
एक घंटा,
when they
आधे
used to come
घंटा
back from the work,
कथा
come to the
सुनेंगे,
house,
हैं, बस।
so we would go to their house
खिलाते नहीं थे कुछ।
and they would not feed us anything 9 p.m. We're just there to speak some
हम लोग मंदिर में
Harikatha.
आकर के
Then we'd take prasad in the temple
हैं, वो दिन चला गया।
after.
ऐसे
So
थोड़ी
that day,
मंदिर ऐसे थोड़ी बन गया।
that day is gone
कितने
now.
कष्ट करने, कितने खून देना पड़ेगा।
So to make that temple, we had to
आज
have so
ये
much
पता
blood.
कौन सुनेगा?
Who will listen to this now?
हैं, आज
It was
नया जो
very
आज
hard.
वो
Those
मास्टर
who,
बन जाता है।
those who came new, they want to become a
हैं, वो
hunter
मालिक बन जाता है।
or owner or in charge of the temple or
उसके
giving
लिए हमें प्रार्थना करना
orders.
पड़ता है। मेरे एक
So I have to
कमरा
pray.
दे दो।
Please give me a room. Please give me a room. I have to pray to them.
हमने पैसा दिया, हमने
I give
बनाया,
them.
हमने कष्ट
I
किया,
give
वो
the
हमारी
money.
कुछ नहीं
I
है।
give everything, but there's nothing.
दो दिन के
Now he
आगे
just came 2
वो
days
बांटने
ago,
के बन गया।
and he's
पैसा
writing
दो,
the
20,000
paper.
रुपया।
Give me 20,000 rupees. Where is this paper?
गुरुदेव महाराज की जय। ये रास्ता देख करके हंसती रहा।
I see. I laugh when I see this. I laugh so much.
ऐसे कली का खेल है।
This is the play of Maya.
हमारी बात सत्य में
This is
देख
true.
कर।
I'm singing. I'm singing.
भाई यही कली का खेल होता
This
है।
is the place of Maya. Yes.
एक ईंट आम उठाया,
I
जो
took
मंदिर
each
पर
brick
हमने किया।
2 floors up to build that thing.
आज समझिए, बालू आते थे।
The
वो
sand
रोड
would
पर
come,
डाल देते थे।
used
वो
to
बालू हम बाल्टी भर भर के
Bring
अंदर
the sand inside the bucket, bring it inside.
वो हमने किया, हम जाते हैं तो कहते देखो कली का
You see how the play of Maya.
हाँ? बात ये सही है।
This
कभी
is
देखते
true.
देखते
Sometimes I see
देखने
it.
से ऐसी लगता है।
Yeah, I feel like this when I see it.
तो हम जिस कथा का
Okay,
थोड़ा
coming
कथा
back.
को समाप्त करता है।
I'm about to finish the katha.
हम खाने के लिए नहीं आए।
So I didn't
क्यों?
come to
हरि कथा
eat.
तो सुने।
Listen to Harikatha. Of course, take prasad, it's okay. Give honor to the prasad, of course.
किंतु हरि कथा तो सुने।
But listen to the katha.
किंतु पति पत्नी हरि कथा में रुचि
So
नहीं।
that the husband and wife had no taste for Harikatha.
वही रसोई बनाने में।
Only cooking, cooking, cooking.
पति क्या चले पति
So-
बाजार में गए कुछ
so
सामान खरीदने के लिए।
Husband went to the market to buy some food,
पत्नी रसोई बना रही थी।
some vegetables. Wife was cooking. Narada thought they don't have taste for listening to Harikatha. Narada came and said, "Hey daughter, disciple, what are you doing?" Gurudev, I'm cooking. Here's some katha. Gurudev, don't have time. Listen to Harikatha.
गुरुदेव मेरा हाथ देख
Gurudev, see my hands, my palm. I don't need to see your hands. I can see in your forehead everything about your karma.
हाथ क्या है? हाथ में पानी रखो ना। मैं ये बता दूं ये पानी
I'll tell,
रखो।
if you put
कितने
water in
तुम्हारे
your hands,
काम होगा ना पानी बता देंगे।
The water you can keep in your hand, it will tell your income.
ज्यादा युक्त मत कर। ऐसे रख दो
Just-
जितना पानी है ना उतना आ जाएगा।
You just
और वो
put your
पानी
hands
की
straight,
किनार से निकल थोड़ा हाथ
and
ऐसे
you,
करो।
and you,
और
how
वो
much
पानी
water
जहाँ
will
से
stay in
निकलेगा
your
ना,
altar,
राहु से निकलने की
and from where the water will come out, from Rahu or Chandrama, the moon. You'll know everything about the money in your life and this planets also.
किसी
This is
जवान
true.
में सुना था। है, आप रख करके देखो। आप
I've
क्या
studied
बताते
some of this. You can put the water. Actually, this will.
हैं? ये भी जानते हैं।
He also knows.
बता देंगे आपको जो।
Yeah, this will tell.
है,
Only the put the
और राहु
water.
से है कि कब से
It's
है
coming
कि
from the
कहाँ से
Rahu, from
पानी तुम्हारे
Ketu,
को
from where
कहाँ
the
से
water is
जाएगा, सब
coming and
बताएंगे।
going. Everything can be said just by this
ये हाथ
water.
क्या देखना है? तेरे
The
ललाट से
position
भी
on your
बताएंगे।
hands. So the forehead also tells everything. I can see your forehead.
की सबसे इच्छा क्या होती है?
All
मेरे
women
पूर्वजों
want
की
to
इतिहास
know
बता दें।
about the previous life. Tell my previous life.
गुरुदेव, मेरा
Gurudeva,
पूर्वजों की कथा बता दें।
okay,
मेरा
tell me
पति
about my
ऐसे-
previous
मेरा
life.
पति ऐसे सुंदर है।
Because my husband's so beautiful, so nice. No one is so, as pretty as my husband, as gorgeous as my husband.
मैं बताते
So I want to
हैं।
know about him, about me.
पूर्वजों में
And
ना
then
राजकुमारी थी।
Guru told, Narada told, you were a princess in the previous life.
मेरे
Yes,
पति
Gurudev,
के बारे में
yes.
बताइए।
And my husband, what was
मेरा
he was
पति
in
है
previous
ना,
life?
ये किसी को बात मत बताना।
Your husband, but don't tell
तो
anyone.
मेरा पति जो है
Your
पूर्वजन्म में
husband,
है,
he was
गधा था।
he was a donkey in previous life, in the
वो
previous
भी
life.
गधा नहीं है।
Not a normal donkey.
नमक बेचने वाले
He
के
was
घर में गधा था
donkey
वो।
working for a salt seller,
है?
salt merchant. Gurudeva, no. Can I believe it, Gurudeva?
है?
What?
मैं सब जानता हूँ।
I know everything.
है? गुरु
It's
बाबा
true.
क्या करे? गुरु
You want to dishonor the Guru? Do you think Guru doesn't know?
नारद जी कम नहीं है।
Narada is also very
हैं?
low.
गुरु बाबा क्या करते?
Do you want to dishonor the Guru? Gurudev, Gurudev.
विश्वास नहीं, ये बात देख मंत्र गुरु मंत्र है। किसी को बोलना मत।
I give-
अरे गुरुदेव क्या कर?
Guru mantra, don't
पति
tell
जब सो
anyone.
जाएंगे ना,
Okay, when
पैर चटना।
your husband goes to sleep,
देखो,
you
उसमें
lick
नमक
the
आएगा।
feet of your husband, you feel the taste of the salt still now.
हम लोग साग सब्जी जो खाते हैं उसमें नमक है।
Because actually, whatever we eat, sabji, everything has salt, so you can lick your own skin. Always there will be some salty
पसीना
taste.
के नमक है, जो कि-
Because the
आप
sweat
नमक भी
has
नहीं
also
खाओ।
salt. Even if
तो
you
फिर
don't eat
आएगा।
salt, it's still
शरीर में जो
your
है, क्या बोले, सोडियम है कि नहीं है?
there's some sodium in the body. This will come out from in the
नमक
sweat.
कम हो जाता है ना शरीर में, उसमें सोडियम चढ़ाना पड़ता है।
Like even if you have less salt, you have to take some sodium or something like that.
उसको भी क्या नमक दे करके करो, शरीर ठंडा हो जाता है ना।
Or also when the person is about to die, that you have to put some salt because the body becomes cold or
उस
something.
शरीर में ये माने गर्मी होता है।
Because the body is becoming hot. So there is naturally salt in the body.
आज तो ये चाटू नमक आ जाए।
So if you
अगर तुम्हारे विश्वास नहीं है,
lick always, there will be the
तुम्हारे
salty
पति
taste.
जो है, प्रजनन
But Narada
करता
told,
है,
you don't believe that your husband was a donkey working for a salt merchant.
नमक बेचने वाले की, हाँ, व्यापारी का। उसके घर के
So he was the
नमक ढूंढता
donkey carrying the salt in his back.
है। बोलना मत उनको, बोले।
But don't tell him, but you can check it and you see it's true.
थोड़ी बात में पतिदेव
After
आ
some
गए।
time, the husband came to
पतिदेव,
the house.
इधर से।
Hey, husband, come here.
Hey!
Gurudev, I'm busy. Hey, come here, come here.
बोले, तेरे पूर्वजों की कथा सुन। हाँ, गुरुदेव,
I'll
मेरा
tell you the
हाथ-
previous
Hey,
life.
हाथ पाथ
Gurudev,
देखना।
check my hands. No need to check hands. The palm. The saints don't even need to see the
हाथ देखने तो हाथ
palm.
पकड़ लोगे फिर। हैं? जजाति महाराज की भांति और
Like Jajati Maharaj and
जजाति महाराज किसका हाथ पकड़ा?
Devjani.
देवजन का हाथ पकड़ लिया, बोले हाथ छोड़ो मत।
Like for example, when Jajati Maharaj took, you never should hold the hand of women
पकड़ लिया तो पकड़ ही जाओगे।
because otherwise she will catch you forever. Like Jajati Maharaj and Devjani.
कभी साधु सन्यासी, हाँ, स्त्रियों के जो है हाथ
Sadhus and sannyasis should never touch the hand of a woman. Don't look, stupid nonsense. Gurudev used to just use a lot and swear us.
अरे हाथ देखने के लिए ललाट देखने बता दे।
You can see the forehead, no need to see the hands. Okay, Gurudev, so tell
गुरु
me.
मंत्र है, किसी को बोलना मत।
I'll tell you the Guru mantra, don't tell anyone. Okay, Gurudev, tell me.
ना,
In the previous life, you were a beautiful prince.
इनको क्या बोले तुम पूरा जन्म में
So he told, Narada told the husband,
तो
you
बोली,
were a
गुरुदेव,
beautiful prince.
मेरा पत्नी कैसे
And my wife, Gurudev, what was she?
अरे देख
Look,
गुरु मंत्र है बोलना मत
it's a Guru mantra, you should not tell anyone. Don't tell your wife.
तेरा गुरु तेरा पति ने पूरे जन्म
Your
में
wife,
किया
she was a she-dog.
देव उनके बोले तुम राजकुमारी
So she
अब
told,
इनको क्या बोले?
Narada told her that she was a princess and her husband was donkey of salt. And to him told, you're a prince and your
मैं
wife
गुरुदेव
was
नहीं नहीं, ऐसे
she-dog.
मत कहिए
Gurudev, no, Gurudev, what is this?
गुरु बात का
Hey, you are doubting the words of the
क्या
Guru.
करता
You are doubting my words. No,
विश्वास नहीं है
Gurudev.
एक काम कर
Ah, you don't believe in my
पतिदेव
words.
खा पी
Okay.
के जब सो जाएंगे ना
So when you go to sleep
Huh?
after taking prasad,
विचार अच्छा
you can
देखो
test and you'll see.
उन्होंने क्या की पतिदेव क्या की सो गए
So the husband,
जानबूझ करके कट क्या बोले
he pretended he was sleeping, snoring, but actually he was not actually asleep. The husband.
वास्तव में हमारे पतिदेव
And the wife was thinking, I want to see if my husband is really a donkey or not in the previous life. I'll check
धीरे
it.
धीरे धीरे धीरे
So slowly, wife was coming just like a cat
और पतिदेव के पैर
and came and started to lick the feet of her husband, the foot of her husband.
स्वभाव होता है ना
The nature of the dog is to, when there is some water, the dog is licking that water.
तो उसी प्रकार वो चाटने लगे
The same way she started to lick the foot of her husband. Oh, Gurudev was right. At the same time also, actually the husband was awake. He was just pretending to be asleep. So he caught her. He was a donkey. No one wants to hear Harikatha, but to have somehow to speak the Harikatha somehow.
सुनाना पड़ता है
To tell them. That's why Narada Rishi did this lila. Then the whole night he was speaking Harikatha to the couple. He said, you're not the body, so just listen to Harikatha.
जय जय राधा कृष्ण
Do some arati.
वो आरती के ऊपर क्या बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय अभी ज्यादा रात काम हुआ 8:30 तो बजे
It's not so old, not so late. It's 8:30 now. 8:25. He's saying we'll reach after 10. Gurudev said, don't worry, we'll reach. We'll reach at 10. It's okay. But nobody sleeps at 10. Who sleeps at 9? Come on, Gurudev said. Tomorrow bus parikrama. We came to the Grihastha house. Let's do chant holy names, speak Harikatha. He spent so much money for this program. So if I was a Grihastha, I would want the saints to come in my house and do some kirtan, some Harikatha. Otherwise, only taking prasad and taking the dakshina and think it's enough. Sahajas, they do this. So in the end of the story, Narada told, actually from previous life, the soul will not still be in this body because you already changed the body. So you're not the body then. Narada spent the whole night speaking Harikatha to them. So Sadhu is forcefully making us listen to the Harikatha, forcing us to listen to the Harikatha.